Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company?
Guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. Today we will be doing an updated skincare routine and getting right into it. We will be starting with the Yes to Skin foaming face wash for dull skin, and for moisturizer we will be using the Sunboon Editor Deep Collagen Peptide Collagen Boosting Capsule Cream, and it came with this little scooper, which I absolutely love when brands do that. It also came with their Deep Collagen Power Boosting Cream and Serum, so that will be 2 days serum. And today's video is in collaboration with Lapure Gentle Daily Toner Pads. These are 100% cotton and have witch hazel, centella asiatica, which I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing right, and glycerin. I absolutely love that this comes with a little tweezer thing that you can take out the toner pad, so you're not putting your hands in the container, which will contaminate all of the pads. Today's video is also in collaboration with these Winter Clean facial towels in the extra large size. They are 100% cotton and they're great for anyone really, especially if you have sensitive skin, because you can either clean your face with these, or like I do, I just simply dry my face. And I love the fact that they're super big, so you won't have to use more than one. These towels are very thick and they come in a 55 pack, and they are free of like everything, no chemicals or anything like that, and can be used wet or dry. Don't you love when I come around? So I'm gonna go ahead and take my Revive Light Therapy Lux Sonic Mini, which is for anti-aging and acne treatment. Absolutely love this brush because it's waterproof. You can use it in the shower or just at your sink. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the foaming cleanser from Yes To and apply that and go ahead and clean my face. Oh yeah, oh yeah, babe.
Feeling good, feeling great, 'cause I got a big old smile upon my face, and you can't take that away. Feeling good, feeling great, and I know today is going to be my day, and you can't take that away. You can't take that away, away. You can't take that away, away. You can't take that away, away. You can't take that away. Can't take that away. 'Cause today it is my day. Feeling great, 'cause I got a big old smile upon my face, and you can't take that away. Feeling good, feeling great, and I know today is going to be my day, and you can't take that away.
next I'm going to take my Dr. Dennis Gross Red Light Therapy Mask, and I put on the light for anti-wrinkle and acne, and it's red and blue, so then it turns purple, so I just let that sit for the allotted time, and I'll come back with the rest of my skincare.
Don't want to spend a minute without you.
So here I'm taking my Pod eye cream, and this also has red light therapy in it too. Everything that I use almost has red light therapy in it, which I absolutely love. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply that under my eyes.
I won't do for your body, so give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby, so come give me love. You know you're mine, baby, so come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby, so come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak, yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat, yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me.
So this part is self-explanatory. I'm going to take my Sun Boon Editor Serum and Moisturizer, and I'm just going to apply that. I love the way this stuff felt. When I applied the face cream, it was a little tingly, but it wasn't anything that was crazy. It did feel good, and it lets me know that it works. I don't know, I love when a product tingles on my face.
You know you're my baby, so come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby, so come give me love. All of your love, won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening, you know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours, you know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now, show me what it's about. Love me till the morning, love me in the evening, you know what I want. I know I'm yours, baby, so come give me love. You know you're mine, baby, so come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe, so come give me love. All of your love, won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening, you know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours?
So to finish off my skincare routine, I'm just going to be taking some Plump-In lip gloss. You can use any lip gloss or lip moisturizer that you want, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that.
Love me in the evening, you know what I want. All of your love.
So this concludes my skincare routine. If you guys liked it, please comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
This one's for the ride. This one's for who knew I make it, just needed some time. This one's for my wife. Could've left 1,000 times just so by my side.